I welcome you to this session of average. In this session, we will take a look at the second type of word problems that appear in average. Now, suppose we are given the average of a group. Let's say there are n people, and we are told that the average age or average height of these n people is given to be x. And let us break these n people into two categories. One category having a number n1 and another category having a number n2. Let us say the average height or average age of this first category of n1 people is x1 and the average height or average age of the second category of n2 people is x2. So the basic logic of solving the question remains the same. The sum of all the n people, whether it is the age or weight or height or whatever parameter, the total sum n into x must be equal to the sum of parts. And what is the first part? The sum of the first part is n1 into x1. So total sum is equal to the sum of the first part n1 x1 plus the sum of the second part. And what is the sum of the second part? Must be n2 into x2. So sum of the second part is n2 into x2. So this basic equation will help us solve the category of word problems that we will discuss very shortly. Let us take a look. So we have the average age of 9 students, and that is 19 years. And if the age of the teacher is included, the average age increases to 21 years. What is the age of the teacher? Let us try to solve this question. Now, the first thing that should come to your mind is what is the total number of people in this group? So in this group we have 9 students plus the teacher. Obviously, the total number of people must be 10. Now, you have averages for two groups. In fact, you have average for one group. So that group is 9 students. So the first group has 9 students whose average age is 19 years. And the second category has only one person, that is the teacher, whose age is not known. Let us assume his age to be x. So we already know how to solve this equation or how to write an equation for this condition. Now mind you, in this particular session we are solving the given question by an equation. But there is another method which we will learn in some of the sessions further up, and where you don't have to actually write down the equation, you can solve this question orally. For now, let us write the equation. So what is the average of this entire group of 10 people? It is already given to us as 21 here. So the sum of ages of all the 10 people is 10 into 21, and this must be equal to, so 10 into 21 must be equal to the total age of the students plus the age of the teacher. So we can simplify that and we can write down 10 into 21 is equal to total age of students must be the number multiplied by the average. So we have 9 into 19 plus the age of the teacher, which is x. And on solving for x, we have the answer as 39, which is the age of the teacher. Let us take a look at another question. So we have the average weight of 20 students in a class is 51 kg. If the heaviest one leaves the class, the average weight of the remaining students goes down by 2 kg. What is the weight of the heaviest child? So let us try to solve this. And once again, let us first of all identify how many people, what is the maximum number of people in this group. So on the whole, there are 20 people in the group. and the average weight of these 20 people is 51 kg as is given to us. And this group of 20 is once again categorized into two parts. The first part comprising 19 students and the second part comprising one student. Now we know that when the heaviest student leaves, the average weight of these remaining 19 people goes down by 2. So therefore the average weight of these 19 people must be 51 minus 2, that is equal to 49 kg. And since we don't know the weight of this heaviest guy, let us assume that weight of the heaviest guy is x. From the basic principles we have, the sum of weight of 20 people must be equal to the weight of these 19 people, 19 students that is, plus the weight of the heaviest child. So total weight is equal to weight of 19 students plus the weight of the heaviest child. What is the total weight of all 20 people? We can jot that down as 20 into 51, and this should be equal to the weight of 19 students, that is the number multiplied by average, that is 49, plus the weight of the heaviest child. And if we solve for x, we will get our answer as x is equal to 89 kg. So with this we come to an end of this particular session of averages. If you have any doubts or if you want to solve more questions based on this concept, please log on to our website www.pfindia.com. You can also write to us at studentservices@pfindia.com, or if you're watching this video on our website, you can use the Ask a Doubt feature. Thank you very much.